SvperDvperProduction here with another video. Today we're working on the V. We're gonna be installing the flex fuel sensor, and right now I just going ahead and he's starting up on taking the goodies off. Yep. So we got the Q here. We got all of them lined up today. Sheesh. Looking good.
All right, so Alex forgot how to vlog. He doesn't know how to talk.
It's been a while. Anymore. I've been retired for a while. But okay, so we got everything off right now. So first off, you want to go ahead and take off. What were these? I don't know what they were. 12? 10s? Anyway, you take these bolts off right here, and then this should pop up, but it won't pop up until you take all these connectors off. So you want to start off with these two right here. You just push them to the side and they pop out. So there are these two up top. Then you have two on this side. You're gonna have one back here. All you gotta do is on this one, you push up and you just pull out, and it should come up.
Push on these and you pull.
Yeah.
And you just connect it from right here, this side too. And you kind of just displace it. You don't have to take it off.
Yeah.
Just to get more room.
Yeah. So just like that. That's on this side. On this side, there's a few more. I'm sure, those are the ones that Isaac was pointing out.
I know, we disconnected.
Yeah, we disconnected them. We got kind of carried away. But we just basically got to get everything that's in the way for the charge pipes, because you got to lift them up and get them out of the way.
And this, you guys can't do this job without a gold watch.
No, you need that.
Just kidding.
But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking these two bolts out right here for the charge pipes to pull them out and make room for the plugs.
Hey, XLR.
Yeah.
This is rolling up in the neighborhood. XLR. He ain't got nothing on this V though.
He'll want this shit. He got one of these. Look at that.
Once it's 297.
He don't want this smoking unleaded.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys in a bit.
Look at that inception. The things you gotta do, man. But it's gotta get done.
Well, that's fine. Gotta push it forward.
So right now he's trying to pop out the fuel feed. They even gave us a little tool. Shout out to DSX Tuning. Sponsor us. We gonna need it. Alright, so we got the fuel line popped off.
You can see. Now we're starting the flex sensor. I'm gonna plug this in here. This is gonna go over there now, and then this connector is gonna go into one of your coil packs, the nearest one, so whatever coil pack that is. And then this is that wire we have to wire into the ECU, so that way when the tuner's tuning it on 87, he knows how much 87 you have in there.
All right, so now it's all plugged in the back. Now he's tapping into the coil pack. But one little tip I want to give you guys: when you're installing the sensor in the back, you want to go ahead and tap in the rail first. Back here, I should let it focus. Focus. It's not gonna focus. Let's back you up a little bit. Oh, right there. So, okay, so that line right there. That one right there, you want to do that one in first and connect it to the sensor first, because it wiggles around and you have it's just a little tougher to squeeze in there once you plug it in to this line first. So yeah, go ahead and do that one first, and then the one to the side. It's gonna make your job a lot easier. So yeah, he's tapping into the coil pack right now.
Oh yeah, you just tap into it and then connect like a regular connector to the coil pack, and that's it. And then this is where we're gonna have to tap into the fuse box right now, but we'll show you guys in a bit. This is the hard part.
Yeah, we'll show you guys right now. We just wanted to get that one out of the way. But yeah.
Alright, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna clip this fuse box, you're gonna pull it out, you're gonna take this bolt, this nut, and
These two are
nuts.
13s, these are 10s, and yeah, it should just pop out. And there's 4 locks on the 2 and 2 for these to come up and just pop up.
And you pull it up.
So you gotta take these out first in order for it to come up.
Basically what you're doing is you're gonna wire in that wire right there into the ECU on a pin, so it can be wired into the ECU. So when they're tuning it, they can read the ethanol content. Or I mean the 87 content. And this is literally like what they send you.
So this is all the kit.
You can screenshot that right now. You don't have to do all that. We just did it just because we were doing the spark plugs already, which we didn't show you guys. But I mean, I don't think you guys wanted to see spark plugs again. So, but if you guys do, let us know.
Yeah, if you do it, I'll do another video. I got y'all. Stand 5 though. Nice.
It's in the YouTube check.
The real
But here you guys can screenshot this or just pause the video so you can see visually stuff. But I'm gonna take that off right there.
Boom.
See how we just got it out. Now we gotta take all these connectors off and pull one of those connectors. Oh, pull the ECU out. We'll show you guys in a bit. Hold up. Yeah. All right, so now you get this. It looks like a mess, but trust me, it's not too bad. Take a picture of the orientation too before you pull this out, so that way you know how they go back in. But basically, when they're sitting in the box, you just like pry up against these right here. You just like pry it and then push it to one way and then pull up. So basically, like this one would be like you pry this way, and you push it this way, and then it slides up. That's what these little kind of little square-looking things are. And now we're gonna take off the ECU connector.
So what you do is you're gonna pull this red tab towards you. Then you're gonna go ahead and push down, and then slide this back. And it should release it, and you just want to go ahead and pop it out. Boom, just like that.
Is this the one that we're gonna do?
Yeah, that's the one we're gonna tap into right here.
So we're basically gonna disassemble this and install a pin. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and then show you guys, give you guys an explanation how to do that. All right, so we wired it into pin 38. We use this little Allen key to push it out. Just be careful, don't break anything. We put this blue cover back on.
Because
you have to take it off.
Tell them how you took it off though.
You know, it's kind of good. That'll be fine.
No, so what you want to do is on the corners, on the ends over there. Watch, focus on the corners up top, right here. There's little like safety pins kind of, or locks that you push in right there on the sides with a pick or a...
Just don't break it like I did. And then, but yeah, basically, and then this is cover in the back. You take it off, and then you wire the pin into there, which I kind of already cleaned it up a little bit, but you're not gonna be able to really see it because everything's in the way here. So
yeah.
So we just put this cover back on.
Like so.
No, I can't put it on. There you go. That's on. Hopefully this stuff goes on. It went on. There you go.
And just
That's
like
why.
that, your ECU is back in place, pinned. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this fuel box back in.
Nope.
I mean, not
nope,
the.
not yet.
Not yet.
You gotta put that on first.
Oh yeah, no, I lied to you guys. I was testing you guys. That's what this one.
Hold on. Let me clean this up a little. Alright, so there it is. Put all the plastics back on, the fuse box. Make sure everything's on there securely. We're gonna get a wire loom for this later on, so that way it doesn't look all ugly. And then put all the covers back on. The engine cover. So that's pretty much it. Now we just gotta turn it on.
Give it the last inspection. Make sure everything. Oh, we gotta put the battery back on.
Yeah, the battery's off. Yeah, make sure you disconnect the battery. You don't wanna, when you're messing with electrical stuff, I always just take the battery off. Pretty simple. No, I just disconnect. Alright. Well, that's about it for this install. Gonna turn it on, give it a few revs. Call it a day. A lot of booze.
For real.
I don't know how safe this is, but let's do it for the video. Watch out, it's not a stop sign for them.
Yeah.
Scared me. I was like, there's no more fucking road. It's probably red hot right now.